guys, welcome to Industrial CAD tutorials. In this Blender tutorial we are going to create a hard surface model. Here I am creating the one of the plane along the y-axis. I am extruding the object. You can observe on the both sides. This is the plane I created, and then after I am going to the face, select on the edit mode, extrude along the z-axis. After that, extruding the z-axis, I am giving the loop cuts. Before that, I want to delete the face on the bottom face by selecting the face select and delete the face on the bottom. And then after one shell is created, I want to give the loop cuts on vertical and horizontal direction. For example, I am giving the horizontal direction, for example 2 loop cuts, and vertical direction and a number of loop cuts I given, you can observe. And I want to give the subdivide option here to the edge and subdivide. Right click and give the subdivide. Here also I am selecting this edge and subdivide. The edge is converted into split into 2 objects. You can observe 2 edges created, and go on to the vertices select. You can observe the point and move the point along the y-axis by pressing the G for the move tool. I am selecting the 2 vertices and I am giving the fillet radius for to this by this Control B and the V. Select the V option and give the solid, select and select the, after creating the curve, I am inside the faces. I am deleting here by selecting the face select and X and delete the faces. After deleting the faces, I am selecting the edge select the all of the 4 edges on the all sides. You can observe 4 edges. I am selecting 1, 2, 3 and the 4 edges. By using Control B, bevel the object to 6 segments bevel I am using here, and go into the edit mode and give the segments to 6 and go into the object mode, switch to solid mode. Then solid object is created like this, and go into the edit mode. You can observe the loop cut is giving the some of the edges, the loop cut is not forming. For to fix this, I am using the knife edge topology or connect to vertex path, and you can observe the I am creating the knife edge topology on edge select only. Before that, I am giving the normal to straight smooth and give the object data proposed straight normal to 30 degree and add a modifier subdivision surface and level ports and level viewports to 2. Then after, I am going to the edit mode, edge select knife edge topology, give the first point and second point, you can observe, and give on enter. Then the edge is created, and simply the edge, move the edge along the z-axis by pressing G option, and you can observe the I am here. I want to make a vertex, connect to vertex path another side. For example, I am selecting the first vertices point here by using the shift. I am selecting the second point and right click and give the connect vertex path. See, the path is created. I am along the z-axis. I am moving along the z-axis somewhat this for to create a some curved shape. See, on the both sides the curved shape is formed. One is the knife edge topology, one is the connect to vertex path. Both are same, you can use. Then after, I want to give the vertices, combine the vertices by using the connect vertex path. Follow the process. After that, you can observe the better topology is created on the all of the faces. I'm selecting these faces of the center faces. You can observe I'm selecting these faces. I'm extrude along the inside. You can observe to create a halo, and I want to give the loop cuts to give the nice shape here by giving the loop cuts here for to better topology. You can observe I'm giving here on the bottom also, on the other side also same process. Again I am selecting of these faces on the other side, or by selecting the face select on the edit mode. You should select the face select and select the all of the faces over here and extrude the object and inside along the X Y as your requirement, and go on to the loop tool and give the loop cuts, Control R by using, and give the loop cuts on the 4 sides for to make a better shape. Here the shape is fine. Again I'm giving the loop cut here. You can also give inside to sharp the edges. I want the curved object, then only I'm not giving the loop cut on the inside of the hole. And after I want to here I want to create a some slide here. I am extrude these two along the inside. You can observe and go into the loop tool, give the shape to create a sharp edge. Okay, by giving the loop cuts here, and I'm giving the on the top I'm giving the one of the loop cut here. On the bottom I am giving loop cut here to make a fillet. Side should be small. I want to strengthen the object. I'm giving some number of loop cuts here for to shape. See the shape is changed somewhat. You can give the several loop cuts for to create a shape like this. This is fine for to me. You can observe, you can inside also you can give the loop cut like this, and here I'm giving the loop cut like this. Then go into the object mode, and again on the other side also you can give the same process. See, now finally the shape is created. I'm applying the matte cap properties here. But to change the material you can give the different types of materials over here. You can observe the steel, metal, plastic as you wish. You can give the material properties for to maintain the shape is correct or not. Then you can give the a number of loop cuts. I am increasing the loop cuts here. You can observe the but to decrease the shape somewhat. I want to decrease the shape to curve to give the loop cuts here, and then after I'm giving the loop cuts over here. You can observe, and this is fine. I'm giving the loop cuts on all sides like this. I'm giving 4 a number of, on sometimes I'm giving 5. But to make the better shape, how many polygons or how many faces are there, the object should be this strength is there. And go into the object mode. You can observe the all of the vertices and give the connect vertex path for to give the all of the vertices to connect, and give the material property. You can see the awkward shape is anywhere. Give the connect to vertex path and give the shape, and give some of the loop cuts to this object for to maintain a better topology on all of the edges. The shape is fine. You can observe by moving the cursor. You can observe all of the shape is good. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.